Hello everyone, I am Shantika Shaw. I welcome you all to the art class of Litra Valley School. I hope you all are safe at home. Student, previous class I have taught you how to make fruit basket. I hope you have practiced it at home. Now student, today's topic is how to draw vegetable basket. Now let's start today's topic. Student, first of all you have to draw a margin. With the help of scale you will draw a margin like this. I hope you are looking in my copy. I have drawn a margin. After margin you will write here date. After that you will write today's topic, and today's topic is vegetable basket. Okay? Now first we will draw a line. Simple line you will draw like this. Okay? After this line you will draw semicircle. You will draw like this a semicircle. Okay, and then after this you will draw again one more line here. Like this. Okay, now after that we will start draw a vegetable. First I will draw a brinjal. It's very easy to draw a brinjal, very simple. It's very simple to draw a brinjal. Okay. After that you can draw any vegetable. No need that you will draw which vegetable I am drawing. Only types of vegetable you can draw. No need to draw this only. If you want to draw any other vegetable you can draw. Okay. Now after that again we will draw one more vegetable here, and I am making orange. That's lemon. Sorry, not orange. I will call it lemon. Okay. Now who will tell me which vegetable is this? Just guess, student, which vegetable I am trying to draw. Yes, you are right. This is carrot. This is carrot. Now who will tell me which vegetable is this? This is also a vegetable. Now I will draw here one more vegetable. If you want, you can draw this much also vegetable, or if you want to draw more vegetable, you can draw one more vegetable. I will draw here. Just guess which vegetable I am trying to draw here. Please guess. Yes, you all are right. This is capsicum. Now we will draw here like this. Now with the help of scale, you will draw like this. First of all, you will keep your scale like this and you will draw it like this. Equally, you will divide it like this. Okay? Now like this you will draw. With the help of scale you will draw like this. Now see, our sketching part has been completed. Now we will do our coloring. Student, now we will start our coloring part. For coloring, first we will color this basket. For this basket you will take light brown and dark brown. Student, in previous class I taught you how to color a basket with oil pastel color. In previous class how I have done, I think you all are remember. For like that only we will color this. Okay, now start. First of all we will use our light brown color and very lightly and very smoothly we will first color it. Like this you will first color very smoothly, very patiently you have to color it. See, my basket I have completed. Now in this also we will do like this. Okay, now we will take our dark brown color and in dark, with the help of dark brown, what you will do, first you will draw a line like this which we have drawn with the use of pencil. You will draw like this, and then we will take a You can use earbud or cotton or any piece of paper. Okay, with the help of this you will merge this color like this. No need to hurry. Slowly you have to do this. One thing, student, I want to add here that if you are using oil pastel color, then you will use this method which I am doing, and if you are using pencil color or crayons, you will skip this method. You don't need to do this method. Okay, we will only use this method while doing oil pastel color. Those who will use oil pastel color, they will only use this method. Otherwise, it's not need to use. No need to use. See how smoothly I have completed. See. Now again we will take dark brown color like this. We will draw again with the help of dark brown. You will draw this middle line like this. Again with the help of light brown only, dark brown only, you will draw this basket like this. With the help of dark brown, you will do like this. Okay, now again we will take light brown. Very smoothly we have to do this also, and again we will use our this earbud, and again we will merge it. See how nicely it is looking. And down also we will okay. Now we will do our this. For this you will take first we will do our capsicum. For capsicum we will take light green, and we will use dark green. We will use these two colors, light green and dark green. Okay, with the help of light green, very slowly you have to color it like this. No need to be hurry. Slowly you have to color it. Okay, now again we will take our our earbud. First we will merge it. We will merge it like this. I think you all are getting what I want to say you and how I am doing, okay? See our capsicum done. Now with the help of dark, if you want you can do with dark green or you can left it like this only. We will do outline with black color. It will look very pretty and beautiful. We will left like this. We will do this outline portion with black color. It will enhance your drawing, okay? Now with purple you will do your brinjal. Lightly you will do. Smoothly and very slow. Your process should be very slow. Now again with the help of cotton or earbud, you will again merge your color. And again for this you will use green color. Will left over it, and with the help of earbud we will merge it. Okay, now this is also your, for this vegetable I will use green color, light green, this green light green. Smoothly you will do and very neatly you have to do. Okay, now again with the help of earbud we will merge our drawing. Okay, with help of dark green and light green, both you will use here and do this. Okay, now this is your lemon. For lemon we will use light yellow and little bit of dark yellow shade. We will give a little bit of dark yellow. Okay, see like this, and little much of yellow, and in while doing yellow little much we will give a touch of green. What you will do with the help of that earbud or cotton, you will only spread slowly, smoothly. You will see you will get a little much of greenish. See? And here we will do. Okay? Understood? Now we will do this also with light green. Smoothly you have to do. Again you will take your earbud, merge the color, you will merge your color like this. Okay. Again you will take your dark color, dark green, and also light blue. Both the mixture you will do here and merge it like this. Okay. Last we are having carrot. For carrot we will take orange and light. If you are having dark orange, then you will do with dark. If you are having light orange also, then we will give a mix. First of all, we will do with light orange. Smoothly you will do. Okay. Now we will give a mix like this. You will same process. Mixing, we are giving the same process. And with the dark orange, we will lightly you will use dark orange. Now again with the help of green you will do like this. Now this coloring part is over. Now with the help of black color, with the help of black oil pastel color, we will do outline. See how beautiful it will look. No need to hurry. Patiently you have to do, and very smoothly you have to do your outline work. like this. You will give an outline. Look how beautiful it is looking. See. You will do this also with black. Okay. See how it is looking. Start. Student, see how beautiful it is looking. Na? It's looking now very beautiful. Our vegetable basket. Please, you try at home. If you want, you can draw this vegetable only. If you don't want, if you want to draw another vegetable, you can draw. Okay, please try this at home. Do it at home. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you.